Hello dear buyer who is watching this video now. Welcome to our shop Foshan MIC Medical Technology Co Limited. Today we are going to talk about our main product. Let's take a look. 5 litre oxygen concentrator. This product has whole new suspension technology, oil-free compressor, stable oxygen generation, LED display screen, real-time display of oxygen concentration, rotate to adjust oxygen flow 0.5 to 5 litre, can adjustable. Can meet different demands of oxygen therapy, oxygen concentration high up to 96%. Support multiple modes of oxygen intake, nebulization is optional function. Can assist drug direct to affected part. 360-degree universal mute wheel, easy to move. 5 layers noise reduction technology. Running noise is only 38 dB. Silent care for your family. Thank you support. Wish you